Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to delete workspace on Slack. You have a workspace that you no longer utilize and you choose to remove it to save up space. So today I am going to show you how to delete a workspace on Slack. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Slack application and log in into your workspace. Here, click on this icon beside the name of your workspace located at the top left corner of the screen. In this panel that appears, tap on Preferences. And here, swipe up and tap on this account settings. After that, you will be directed into this page. Here, swipe up and under the Activate Account section, tap on this Delete the Workspace. In this page, you can see this Delete Workspace button. Simply tap on that. Here, you need to confirm deletion, so click this small box to acknowledge that you understand that deleting a workspace is permanent and cannot be undone. If you want to keep any of this information, you should export it before deleting the workspace. After that, enter your Slack password, and once done, click this button that says Yes, delete my workspace. After that, your workspace will be deleted. Please note that deleting a workspace will permanently delete all of its contents, messages, and files, and it cannot be recovered. It is a good idea to carefully consider the impact of deleting a workspace before proceeding with this action. There you go. If you wanted to know how to delete workspace on Slack, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to delete workspace on Slack, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.